County a week, was in there chillin'. How the fuck I ain't end up in there when we was really drillin'? Can't afford to take a loss again, I know the feeling. Damn, why the fuck you always in your feelings? I been banging with Wapskino Fest since we was chillin'. They killed Tracy that same night when we was out there chillin'. I started rapping, how the fuck I end up with some millions? Me and Cap was sippin' drip like we ain't had no ceilings. Nigga Max was on them hits so he couldn't have no feelings. All them bitches under his belt and ain't got no civilians. Just like any minor mo, he hop out right there, get him. Damn, how you know? Cause I was right there with him. If I'm in interrogations, I'ma claim my innocence. I won't pay you back with vengeance, kill